Alright guys, it's the 23rd. We're on the Land Rover. I can't open it. It pushed itself inside. This is a struggle. And now you heard my dad provide completely. It didn't even realize. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's literally, when it's on the corner of the Land Rover, it is the Land Rover. Beautiful. Chocolate out.
Perfect for the day that we're traveling.
And then it's just like a little random car. That's funny.
Earbuds. Just take it.
No, it's me in the mirror. It's me.
I'm in love. I'm in love.
Anything else?
It's like when the wizards are putting up a thing to shield over you, and so it's just starting to go.
You're going backwards.
One eternity later.
Buddy! Hello!
In the container.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
I only saw one sheet.
Should be 2 rolls in there too.
Oh, you're gonna see Chris while you're.
Okay, guys, this is catching up on my advent calendar gifts.
Barbara? No?
Here's number 1. This is the fun part, is doing it one-handed every day.
Oh, that's what you do?
That's the skill that I've gotten good at. I see erasers.
Cool. Same place?
Oh, they're little animal erasers. There's a giraffe, a lion, and an elephant.
Erasers?
Yeah.
I always need
But I've got burger things.
burgers, french fries,
Yeah.
and like they like really.
No, I thought they were cute. Alright, next
I
one.
don't know, I haven't tried them to see how well they erase.
Sounds like a puzzle.
Did you rate it on their bottom?
It's a giraffe
Is it a puzzle?
puzzle. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, good. You got something to do while
It's a
you're here.
little giraffe puzzle.
It's a thing here, animals.
And then, yes, I haven't actually had any giraffe stuff yet until now. So it's all together.
Okay, so basically,
Yeah, she didn't remember either. And this
whoever
is a
starts,
magnet
which is
saying, if
random,
bacon is
rolls
wrong, I don't
6
want to be
dice.
right. That's great. Thank you, Mother.
first, the 2 white dice are added up.
Solid
and they
gifts.
call
Yum, yum, yum. Hello. 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 Pizza. We've got a little more than one person in here. One thing in here. I still have a picture on my laptop of last time I saw them do this. Hello, buddy. Hello. Oh, look at the camera. And there's Cobra. Oh. They're in the cage if you can't see. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Thank you for cleaning my hand after I finished eating. You little spoiled baby. Ooh, put a little too hard, I guess. You know. Buddy. Buddy. Oh, he's trying to get your face. You need it out there? What? You need it out of there? Or you good? Okay. Mine. Alright, I'm in the car on the way to Florida. I'm editing this vlog. I didn't end it, even though I ended another vlog in this vlog, and that's the ending that I have. Here we go. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.